Hey friends, welcome to Super English Talk. I am Ashiqur. Today we will talk about a very important topic, how to speak English with confidence, how to overcome your fear, and how to become fluent in English. This lesson is for beginners. You will hear slow and clear English. You will learn by listening and shadowing. Try to repeat after me. This will help you build your fluency. Let's begin this journey together. Let's learn how to speak English without fear. Section 1. Understanding the fear. Many people feel afraid when they try to speak English. Maybe you are afraid of making mistakes. Maybe you feel shy. Maybe you worry people will laugh. Or maybe you think your English is not good enough. This fear is very common. You are not alone. Even native speakers feel nervous sometimes, but remember this. Fear is not the problem. The real problem is not trying. If you try, you will grow. If you speak, you will improve. Think about a small child. When a child learns to speak, they make many mistakes. They don't feel ashamed. They keep trying, and slowly, they learn to speak well. You must do the same. It is okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Don't wait for perfect English. Speak with the English you have now. Your fear is only in your mind. It is not real. You can change it. You can build confidence. You can speak clearly and fluently. And I am here to help you. Let's keep going. Section 2. Building the right mindset. To speak English confidently, you need the right mindset. What is mindset? It is the way you think. Your thoughts create your actions create your habits, and your habits create your results. So, what should your mindset be? First, believe in yourself. Say to yourself, I can speak English. Say it every day. Even if you feel nervous, keep saying it. Your brain will start to believe you. Second, focus on progress, not perfection. Don't try to be perfect. Try to get better every day, one step at a time, one word at a time, one sentence at a time. Third, be kind to yourself. Don't be angry if you make mistakes. Don't say, I'm bad at English. Say, I am learning, I am improving. Fourth, enjoy the process. English is not just a subject, it is a tool. It helps you connect with people. It helps you explore the world. So enjoy every moment of learning. Fifth, speak every day. Even if you are alone, speak. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your day. Talk about your goals. This will help you feel more natural. Finally, imagine your future. Close your eyes. See yourself speaking English fluently. See people listening to you. Feel proud. That is your future, and you're moving toward it, step by step. Section 3. Simple techniques to build confidence. Now, let's talk about how to practice. Here's some simple techniques to help you build confidence. 1. Shadowing means listening and repeating. You listen to someone speak English, then you try to say the same words. You copy their voice, their rhythm, their pronunciation. You can use this podcast for shadowing. Repeat after me. Speak with me. This helps your brain get used to English. 2. Speak in front of a mirror. Look at yourself. Say simple sentences. I am learning English. My name is, I like to read. This helps you feel more confident. 3. Record yourself. Use your phone. Speak for 1 minute. Then listen to your voice. Don't worry if it's not perfect. Over time, you will hear your progress. 4. Practice with easy topics. Talk about daily life. What you ate, what you did, what you will do. Simple topics help you speak more naturally. 5. Use English in your thinking. Try to think in English. Even small thoughts like I am hungry or it's raining, this trains your brain. 6. Join speaking groups online if possible. Find other learners. Speak with them once a week. This builds real confidence. 7. Learn common phrases. Don't memorize only words. Learn full phrases like, how are you? Can I help you? I'm looking for. These are easy to use in conversation. 8. Celebrate your success every time you speak. Celebrate. Say, I did it. Smile. Confidence grows with positive emotion. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Section 4. Daily routine for fluency. Now let's build your daily routine. You can follow this plan every day. Morning, 10 to 15 minutes. Listen to slow English like this channel. Repeat key sentences. Shadow short audio clips. Afternoon, 10 to 15 minutes. Read a short article or book. Underline new words. Say those new words aloud. Evening, 15 to 20 minutes. Speak about your day in English. Record yourself. Listen and notice improvement before sleep. 5 minutes. Visualize yourself speaking confidently. Say one positive thing. I am improving. Example daily sentences to repeat. I am learning English every day. I am not afraid to speak. My English is getting better. I enjoy learning. I will speak with confidence. These simple practices will build your fluency. You don't need long hours. You need small steps. Done every day, you're not just learning English, you're training your brain, and your brain will respond. Section 5. Motivation. You can do this. Let's talk from the heart now. You may feel like English is hard. You may feel stuck. You may think, maybe I can't do this, but listen to me. You're not weak. You're not behind. You're growing every day. Fluency is not a gift. It is a result of daily effort, a result of belief. Think about your past. There were many things you couldn't do before, but now you can. English will be the same. Don't compare yourself to others. You have your own journey. You're moving forward. You're getting stronger. And I believe in you. Yes, you have already started. You're listening. You're practicing. That is success. That is courage. No matter how many mistakes you make, keep going. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. Speak with your heart. Speak with love. Speak with power. English is not just about grammar. It is about connection. It is about sharing your ideas. It is about being heard. So speak. Even if your voice shakes, speak. You're becoming fluent step by step, word by word, die by die. Conclusion. Let's review everything to speak English with confidence. Understand your fear. Change your mindset. Use simple techniques. Follow a daily routine. Keep your motivation strong. You are not alone in this journey. Many learners are walking the same path, and you're doing a great job. This is Super English Talk. I am Ashiqur, and I am proud of you. Keep listening, keep speaking, keep believing. If this video helped you, listen again and practice with me. Use this as your shadowing practice. Together, we will make your English strong. Together, we will build your confidence. You are capable. You are brave. You are becoming fluent. Never stop. Never give up. You're doing something amazing. You're learning a new language, and that is powerful. Thank you for joining me today. See you in the next episode of Super English Talk. Take care and keep speaking. And subscribe to me.